my channel. So for today's video, as you can see by the title, we're doing something a little bit cray-cray. As you can see, it is that time of the year by my background and my jumper. So I thought today I would do the 50 Halloween costume ideas video. I did this video last year and it went down so well. You guys really loved it and got so many ideas. So I thought, why not do it again? Although I have to say this time it was a little bit harder because I already did 50 last year. So I had to think of 50 brand new costume ideas. But I feel like we got there in the end. So I really hope you guys enjoy. If you do, make sure you smash that huge thumbs up just down below. And also don't forget to subscribe. Come and join the dinosaur family. I'm not going to ramble on too long because we have 50 Halloween costumes to get through. 50! So without further ado, let's just jump straight into the video.
The wizard, the wonderful Wizard of Oz. We hear he is the Wizard of Wiz, if ever a Wiz there was.
Cruella de Vil, Cruella de Vil. If she doesn't scare you, no evil thing will.
Let it go, let it go. I am one with the wind and skies. Mary sailed all the way to the top of the gravel. Mary sailed all the way to the top of the gravel. Mary sailed all the way to the top of the gravel. Mary sailed all the way to the top. F.
Teletubbies, say hello.
But diamonds are a girl's best friend. A kiss may be grand.
This is America. I got you slipping now.
This is not a test. This is your emergency broadcast system announcing the commencement of the annual purge sanctioned by the U.S. government.
Fighting evil by moonlight, winning love by daylight. This is the web that you weave. So baby, no rest in peace.
I'm a ninja. Yo, my life is like a video game. My main thing when I'm in the zone. One player, one life in the mark. Remember the dog.
Ninja, go!
So those were my 50 Halloween costume ideas. Did you guys like it? I really hope you did because this video was so long to film and edit. Honestly, it probably took like a week in total of planning this video, buying the outfits and all that kind of stuff. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I feel like thanks to this video, I will never run out of Halloween costumes for the next 50 years. I will also link my last year's video in the eye right here and also in the description in case you guys want, you know, 100 Halloween costume ideas from me. If you guys enjoyed, make sure you smash that huge thumbs up just down below, and also don't forget to subscribe. Come and join the dinosaur family. Your gal has so many Halloween videos planned. But anyways, that is all from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!